data guard. So, have you ever wondered, when you are using a website, you have to accept the condition and term, and if you don't accept the condition and term of the website, you won't be able to access or use the services. So what really happens when you accept the terms and conditions? Your data is getting stolen legally and illegally, and it has been transported for many countries and many people around the world, which makes it unsafe. So I proposed an idea, that is data guard. So data guard is a physical device which can be connected with any mobile or any PC with a USB cable, and it blocks the terms and conditions, or you can say it bypasses the terms and condition, and still allowing the user to use the services. Next slide. What data guard does, it encrypts and it secures our data against unauthorized collection. It consents bypass, allow website access without requiring explicit consent for data tracking. So there are three main features of data guard which uses AI. The first one is PIDO, personal information and data owner controls. It gives customized consent. It allows users to pick out specific terms and conditions to allow and disable them. Granular management, it is a detailed control system and it is very user friendly. Seamless transparency, people can use it very efficiently and very easily. Second key feature, AI anomaly detection, AIAD, continuous monitoring. By using AI, it detects anomaly by continuously monitoring, and if there is any anomaly or any threat, it gives immediate alert, and we would be able to take action on the response of the anomaly. Third key feature, AI anomaly location and details, AI Aldocona. When AI detects the anomaly, it gives the details, or you can say the location of the anomaly, and it gives the local authorities contact to us, so we can contact them and caught the thief which are stealing our information. It gives us pinpoint location, and we would be able to report it in very detail, and it gives us authority contract. How data guard works, a seamless protection cycle. Selective consent, it gives the selective consent. We would be able to pick out which terms and conditions to actually enable and disable. Real-time monitoring, it uses AI to real-time monitor the threats, or you can say anomalies. Localization and reporting, it gives us the details of locals, and we would be able to report the anomaly. User empowerment, the interface is very easy and user friendly. Problem solved, addressing the modern privacy crisis. Eliminates blind acceptance. That means everyone does not actually read the terms and conditions, they just accept it to use the services. So it eliminates blind acceptance. Detects hidden tracking. It detects hidden tracking and blocks them. A paradigm shift. What changes data guard brings? Active privacy management. Our privacy is getting active management. AI driven proactive defense. AI is constantly protecting our information and data. Integrated incident response. So it gives us tools that we can catch the anomaly. Commitment to REM AI, responsible, ethical, mindful. So how is it responsible? It maximizes and ensures data security with physical devices controls. It is ethical. It maintains transparency in all security alerts and reports. It is mindful, engineered to minimize small alarms, false alarms and user disruption. So the physical device would look like this. And these are the main three features which are going to be very helpful to save your data. So how data guard works? It gives selective context with PIDO, real-time monitoring with AIAD, localization with AI Aldocona, user empowerment. It transforms privacy from passive to active. And it is built on RAM AI principle, that it is responsible, ethical, and mindful, ready to take back your control of data. So I would like to conclude that if you want to save your information from getting stolen, then you should use DataGuard, because it is a firewall, or you can say it is a device that will block it from getting stolen. Thank you.